out a liar. Boom!
Oh, and a knee strike put Reigns on his back.
Roman to become emotional.
Oh, double knees to the face. And now Murphy kick right to the chest. Roman Reigns at bay.
But he's not afraid to fly.
Over the top, down goes Reigns. Murphy off the top. Heel. Got him.
Press on, look at. Right across the chest of the finish. He finds that next gear, that extra energy reserve. But Buddy Murphy continuing to keep Rowan in peril. Multitude of strikes by Murphy.
Oh, went for that knee strike again. Oh, what a right hand. Oh, my God. Oh, and Murphy with a kick. And there's the Superman punch.
Stepping in the ring with.
And watch it, bam, the super kick, and then Roman Reigns right on the button with the Superman punch. And now Roman,
Another knee!
Roman down to a knee, another one.
Murphy's gonna do this! Murphy's gonna do this!
Buddy Murphy.
Down. I thought he was out.
Boom.
A series of precision knee strikes, followed by a brainbuster by...
On the move.
Look out.
Oh, my God. Good grief. Roman Reigns, simply ferocious, puts down Buddy Murphy. Oh, wow. What a moment.